We're taking a look at Samsung's Galaxy A50, a step up from the A30 we covered before. Now here the aesthetic of the box remains pretty identical and the top lifts up to unveil a box that houses the phone's manuals and warranty information as well as a silicone case. We'll put it off to the side and check out the phone now, which has this nice glass finish that scatters light. The box says that this is a black finish, but it looks more blue to me. Nonetheless, the phone has a nice, comfortable design and a curved shape. And there's some pretty neat things about it too. Let's talk about the phone specifications as it starts up. Inside, we've got the Exynos 9610 octa-core CPU clocked at 2.3 GHz with up to 6 GB of RAM to run Samsung's One UI 1.1 on top of Android 9.0 Pie. You get 128 GB of onboard storage, which can be expanded via microSD up to 512 GB thanks to the phone's hybrid dual SIM tray. One of the more unique things about the phone is its in-screen optical fingerprint scanner at this price. As we set the phone up, it takes you through the process where I noticed it's quite a bit slower to set up. Once done, unlocking times are also on the slower side, but the scanner is pretty accurate. Just like the Galaxy A30, the phone has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U display with a 1080p resolution and Gorilla Glass 3 protection, all pretty identical to the Galaxy A30. But on the back you find a triple camera setup made of a 25-megapixel primary, 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The camera here also helps with Bixby vision, whereas on the front you get a 25-megapixel sensor for your selfies. Back to the unboxing, you find a fast charge brick to juice up the 4000 mAh battery, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable that could have been longer, a pair of 3.5mm jack headphones which are pretty standard, and the SIM removal tool. Being a dark color variant of the phone, I like that Samsung's included black color accessories to match the aesthetic. But that's about it for this unboxing. Over the A30, the A50 is an upgrade for sure. Let us know what you think about the phone down in the comments and what you'd like to see in terms of future videos. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.